Before we proceed to our class discussion, let's have first a prayer. Who will lead a prayer?
Me, Ma'am.
Okay, Miss Cherry, please read.
Okay, let us all stand and pray. Our Father, thank you for this wonderful morning that you give to us. Lord, guide us always and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who have sins against us. In Jesus' name we pray, amen.
Amen. Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am Charlie.
Okay, please be seated.
Thank you,
Ma'am.
Okay, now let's check your attendance. Okay, who isn't here today?
Ma'am.
Okay, Ronaldine Dumdum,
Present.
Roxil Dumdum,
Present.
Ivy Grace Cani,
Present.
Jiros Abayon,
Present, Ma'am.
Zeus Lloyd Custodio,
Present, Ma'am.
Cherry May Bedrona,
Present, Ma'am.
Joven Custodio.
Present, Ma'am.
Okay, I am glad to see all your handsome and pretty faces. Okay, now, before we officially start our class discussion, let's have first our tally sheet or seating summary. Okay, what should the students do when the teacher is discussing or speaking?
Listening, Ma'am.
Okay, yes, very good. What else?
Keep unnecessary things.
Very good. Can I expect that from you, class?
Yes, Ma'am.
Okay, so let's proceed to our activity 1. So here's your activity 1. Differentiate linear equation from linear inequalities. These are the statement or mathematical statement and mathematical sentences. All you need to do is group this statement where it belongs to. Either column A, which is linear equation, or column B, linear inequalities. You have 5 minutes to answer. The timer starts now. Okay? Proceed. Okay, timers is over. Okay? Now, to check your answer, please exchange with your seatmate. Okay? Okay, now. 2x equal 4y minus 2 with where it belongs to. Is it column A or column B?
Column A.
Column A. 2x equal 4y minus 2. 2y greater than 8x minus 4. Where is it belong to?
Column B.
Okay, column B. 2y greater than 8x minus 4. 9x plus 4 less than equal minus 15.
Column B.
Column
B.
Very good. 9x plus 4 less than equal negative 15. Okay, y equal 3x plus 5.
Column A.
Column A is linear equation. Y equal 3x plus 5. Okay, next 3x plus xy less than 12.
Column B.
Okay, very good. Okay, yes, Ronaldin?
Linear equation is an equation between two variables that gives a straight line when plotted a graph.
Okay, very good. Yes, it is very good. Let's give her a warm of applause. Good job. Okay, who can give me a real life example to practice linear equation? Anyone from the class?
Me, ma'am.
Yes, Cherry?
Okay, number one is calculating medicine doses based on patient's weight. Number two is calculating the perimeters of the squares. Number three, hiring a car if a deposit is paid and there is an hourly charge. Number four, calculating wages based on an hourly pay rate.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Yes, I see that you really understand our previous lesson. So, now let's proceed to we officially open our new lesson. Okay, here's your another activity 2. Now, adding a picture, try to guess the correct word by analyzing the picture. Okay, if you want to answer, just raise your hand. Okay. What is in this picture? Anyone? Yes, Custodio?
Linear inequation. Inequalities.
Okay, linear inequalities. Very good. Okay, so to proceed our class discussion, we have some objectives. All you need to do is just read our class objectives. Okay? Read.
Objectives. A. Differentiate linear inequalities from linear equations in two variables. B. Determining what method is used in solving linear inequalities. So, solving the linear inequalities. D. Translating expressions involving inequalities. E. Relate the linear inequalities to real-life equations.
Okay, thus those objectives you need to do after our class discussion. Okay, this time I will group you into 2 groups. This will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. Okay, here is your activity 3, number 3. Draw the inequalities on a number of lines. These are the following statements of inequalities. All you need to do is to know where it to draw from the beginning to last. Okay? These are the following questions. Okay? You have 5 minutes to answer. Okay? Okay, time is up. Okay. For number 1, x less than 3. Where to begin to draw? Anyone? Yes? Ivy?
From positive 3 to negative 1, negative 2, and so on.
From positive 3. So where is the positive 3? Here. Positive 3 to negative 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So here is the draw of inequalities or of a number of lines. So for number 2, x greater than 3. Anyone? Yes?
From
from positive 3, positive 4, and so on. Okay, it face it to positive faces. Okay, for number 5, x less than 2. Anyone? Yes, Joven?
From positive 2 to negative 1 to negative 2, 3, 4, and so on.
Okay, very good. Good job, class. You did a great job. Okay, give hands to yourselves. Okay, so now, what are the importance of inequalities on a number of lines? Anyone? What are the importance? Yes?
Inequalities on a number line allows to us to visualize the values that are presented by inequality.
Okay, very good. The importance of inequalities on a number line, it is an inequalities of a number line allows us to visualize the values that are represented by inequalities. Okay. So now, how to present inequalities on a number of line? Anyone? Oh, yes? Cherry?
To present the inequalities numbers of lines, we show the range of numbers by drawing a straight line and indicating the ends point with either an open circle or closed circle. An open circle means that the value is not included. A filled-in circle means that the value is included.
Okay. This one, you see that this circle is open circle. So it means this is not included. So this one is a closed circle that is included. Okay? For our next activity, let's proceed. Okay? If A and B are any positive numbers and A greater than B, how many of the following statements are true? All you need to do is to guess how many statements are true. Okay, you have 5 minutes to answer. Okay. Time is up. Okay. How many statements are true in this activity? Okay, yes, Jeros.
There are 4 statements true. First is the greater than B because that was given the question.
Okay, the first statement is true is A greater than B. Very good. Okay, what else? Okay, yes? Roxanne?
Negative A less than negative B is true because of the rule multiplying by a negative reverses the sign.
Okay. Negative A less than negative B. What else? Okay, yes, Romaline?
Negative 1 over less than negative 1 over B is true because of the same rule as above.
Okay. Negative 1 over A less than negative 1 over B. Okay? The last? Yes, Ivy?
Negative 1 is over less than negative 1 over b because we apply the rule multiplying by the negative reverses the sign to the previous answer. Therefore, altogether, 4 of the statements are true.
Okay, very good, Ivy. Negative 1 over A greater than minus 1 over B. Okay? Let's proceed to our activity 4. Work by pair. Okay. If B less than 0 and A what is the relationship between A and C? Okay, you have 5 minutes to answer. Okay, time is up. So, what is the answer in this activity? Anyone? Yes? Custodio?
The answer is A greater than C, or A greater than C is the answer because adding or subtracting the same value to both sides of inequalities does not change the inequalities.
Okay, can you write it in a word? Okay, correct. A plus B greater than C plus B equal A plus B minus B. Why we add negative B? Because we need to remove this B in this given problem. So we add negative B from both sides. That's why the answer is the B is cancelled, then B from the right side is cancelled. So the answer is A greater than C. Okay, give him a warm of applause. Very good job, Lloyd. Okay, for our last and final activity, a world real life problem. To connect our topic, so here is the problem. Read and analyze the problem carefully and answer the following question below. The problem is Sam and Alex play in the same soccer team. Last Saturday, Alex scored 3 more goals than Sam, but together they score less than 9 goals. So the question is, what are the possible number of goals Alex scores? Okay, you have 5 minutes to answer. Your timer starts now. Okay, timer down. Okay, now, the explanation is we write x plus a because S stand for sum. Then plus a stand for Alex. Then 9, we get 9 from the 9 goals. Then we write less than because of the problem. Together the score less than 9 goals. So S plus the quantity of S plus 3 less than 9. So we need to distributive property to get 2S because S times S equal 2S. Then copy the 3, then less than 9. So 2S, to remove 3, we need to add negative 3. That's why 2S plus 3 minus 3 less than 9 minus 3. The answer is 2S less than 3. 2S less than 6 divide 2 to get what is the sum score. So we get S3. So what are the possible number of goals Alex scored? You want yes, Ronaldin?
Some scored less than 3 goals, which means that some could have scored 0, 1, or 2 goals.
Okay, very good. Okay? To check that you really understand our topic, we will having an last word problem. Okay? Read the question carefully. Translating expression involving inequalities. Number 1, the speed of car S was at least 200 km per hour. Then number 2, Astor's average test 1 score T exceeded at 80. The height of the cave edge has no more than 20 meters. Then the 4th, the temperature on the tennis court T has no less than 200 degrees Fahrenheit. 5, the depth of a certain pool was at most 10 meters. So you have 5 minutes to answer it. Your timer starts now. Okay, time is up. So what is the answer of number 1? Yes?
S less than equal to 100.
Okay, very good. S less than equal to 100. For number 2. Yes, Joven?
D greater than 80.
Okay, T greater than 80. Very good, Joven. So number 3. Yes, Ronaldin?
H less than equal 20.
Very good. H less than equal 20. For number 4. Yes, Custodio?
T greater than equal 200 degree Fahrenheit.
Okay, T greater than equal 200 degree Fahrenheit. So for number 5, yes,
D less than equal 10 meters.
D less than equal 10. Very good. As what I have seen, you really understand our topic this morning. So your task for our next meeting, you need to advance study about quadratic inequalities, page 75 to 80. And that's all, class. You may now proceed to your recess. Okay, goodbye, class.
Good.